Ball City. We have people that we don't even know that's up here.
That's scary.
Oh, they probably walked in somewhere. Well, see, there's been people coming here for years when we first came.
Well, see that bass coming in front of the red door.
And here's Dave, Splat Ball City, Dave, and his Eugene, his girls,
25 till.
Darcy, Amber, the two kids, and then there's always me. Hey, Alita, Dave.
Now you're coming back here to this.
Oh, I'm freezing. Boy, look at the zoom on this.
Back it in, put the tail down and lift the lid up. Hey, Carol,
Girls, be careful over there in the corners. We're not letting ours go that far. Oh. Woo. Where's this pacifier? Well, keep it.
No more rest.
No, Robbie's, you know. Robbie's what you call flew the coop. Today's his birthday. Boy, Dave, I was in Dallas, Texas. We were
Stopping in Houston?
Tulsa, Oklahoma. No, we was in Tulsa, Oklahoma. We were at the, well, the Oral Roberts University, you know. But we were, I was in the biggest Western.
What's that? Redstone. It's like turquoise. It's got the red and white in it.
This is my dog. All right. Whoa. Oh, woo, woo, woo. Hey, Tommy. Woo. Oh, wow. Ooh. Purdy.
Being put in firewood.
Oh, okay. Run your battery down. Oh.
Gotta turn it off.
Well, we can't hardly hear it, so I'd turn it off. It's up to you. Woo! Whatever you guys want. They ain't even started yet either. Carol's saving her lights for the big ones. I really can't see you guys. Get this one, Mom. What's the name of that camera, Carol? Sharp or?
Called a Molinado.
Molinado.
Molinado ADX1.
Oh, okay.
Hold back in nylon though.
Man, I'm on a 20 zoom on this tower. You want to look?
How close are you?
Top 20. Take a look, and you can zoom it in more. It might be too far in.
Yeah.
You got where they shoot out. Try and catch the red. Tell me when it's out enough.
Oh, yeah.
What's the number
you
say?
got to do it.
So after doing ooh, that was pretty. Ooh, oh, look at that, Carol. Oh, wow. Hey, you know what? We got, oh, look at that. Ooh, is this a pretty good view, guys?
Yeah. Yeah.
I think so.
Oh, I do too.
I'd rather be here than with all those people getting...
Oh, me too.
Yeah.
Tommy, we had a church thing up here. We ate out and everything up here, cooked out.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, next year we could do that if you want.
Yeah, we could,
Yeah, we cooked over there where the driveway is, had the pots cooking. No, the grand finale will really be spectacular. Oh, I'm sitting. I gotta save my battery.
I want the book like that, she says.
Oh, she wants a book like that? Oh.
They're in this big thing, they light it and it pops them out.
They're doing it by computer, Darcy.
Are they?
Yeah, they showed on TV. It's by computer. There's too much ammunition over there.
Over the time.
Yeah.
It's like a ratcheting or something like that. That's when
They push a button and it makes it go.
a whole battle of ratcheting.
Ooh, ooh, isn't that pretty?
Right in front of you, right
Ooh, that is a Renaissance, Tommy.
right there.
Ooh, party.
And then over here to the left is Belle Isle.
Oh, they got sparklers. Ooh. Next year we'll do all that. Kids are getting.
Well, no.
Ooh.
Friday night, Grandma.
Yeah. But why are they doing it so early? Has anybody wondered? Yeah. Well, okay. Ooh, I like the red one. Pink.
This is a perfect spot.
Oh yeah, you couldn't get any better. You haven't been up here before, Darcy? Yeah, you just didn't come. The church, yeah, you were invited, Darcy.
Yes, we were.
Amber remembers.
Last year.
Oh, that looks like a Christmas tree. Isn't that nice? We should have brought our floppy joes up here, shouldn't we?
If we went out and going it off and do like this.
Ooh, sounds like thunder. What? Hurry, Darce. Oh, wow. Nope.
Yeah, look how long these are like.
I know it. Ooh, this is better than the last one. Just scanning for crooks. Walk right from the TV camera. She walks right from the TV camera. You can tell she's got TV experience. Here we are. Come and get us.
Pretty fireworks.
Ooh, oh yeah, they're lovely.
You know what I'm gonna do next
Wait for
year,
the
Mom?
finale. We'll cook out up here.
No, I got some butter.
What? All right.
Kids put my kids out. Exactly what it is.
What?
It's a cop. Look at the colors. The camera's only black and white.
Ooh.
Rachel, I made that one just for you right there.
Ooh.
Did you know I did that? I did that.
Tommy did it. Ooh.
Are you ready for the house?
Yep.
Well, Tom, you can make the colors in the hot house. Not nice. Whoa.
Wow, it looks like an umbrella.
Yeah, like Rachel's lamb chop. Near the door.
Tommy, you thought I didn't cook enough food, now you couldn't even eat, huh? Well, I wonder why. I brought that watermelon. I should have brought it up here. Didn't even think.
Yeah, we could have just been here much our
Yeah. No, don't have any. Nah. Whisper, whisper. Sure. Here goes the big one.
Don't raise it down.
Careful. Wow. An hour.
Huh?
An hour.
11.
What time is that?
25 after.
Ooh, isn't that pretty? got, what do you call those things that flicker? We don't have a payphone up here. Yeah, we got some people on the roof with us. Locals. Yeah. Uh-huh. All right. Here, Darcy, how do I hang this up now? What number?
Hit in.
END. And then turn the power off. Ooh, look at these fireworks. Did it tell me how many minutes I talked? Look at that billboard sign out there making that racket. Wow. Why ain't you filming, Carol?
Does it all look the same?
Ooh. Oh, wow.
There's still pressing on the
Well, yeah, but they're not coming for that. They're probably watching from the... Ooh, they're going off one right after another.
Oh.
Keep an eye on the time, Darcy, so I can, save some juice. Ain't that the sure? Wow, that's a long one. Whew. What is that?
It's a Nelly.
You want to sit in the car? The fireworks will win.
I just started to hook up.
There's another elbow car.
What are they doing? Can't be, it's too early. 10:30 something.
Okay, it's over. Go home.
Dude. That's it.
No, it isn't. That ain't it. That ain't the finale. Oh, that's not it.